Do you see this very car accident video? So I'm going to show you how I was able to edit it like this. Follow me to the screen to show you. Don't forget to share. Record the clip while you are crossing the road. At the middle of the road, do as if that something hit you. Please record the video when you know that the road is free. Then after that, you head over to CapCut. Alright, on getting to CapCut, head over to new project. Click on it. It will take you to a gallery where you will import the video that you want to edit. Click on the very add button to take you to the editing interface. So we really need to work on it by removing some part of the video that is not needed. Okay, let me just cut out from this very 3 seconds. Okay, so highlight the video by touching this side of the video like this. Okay, until that white line appears, then head over to split here to divide the video, then touch this end. Okay, highlight it and come over to delete to remove it. Okay, like this. So the next thing which you need to do is to bring in that very motor car. Okay, now how will you go about it? Click on this very overlay here to take you back to your gallery. Click on an overlay again. Now search for the green screen of the car. Okay, using this particular one as an example. Okay, because that is the one I will be using. Okay, you can get this very green screen from YouTube or from TikTok. Okay, just kindly go to YouTube and search for green screen car. Search for the one that is free from a copyright. Avoid having copyright violation. Okay, so having brought the green screen on the editing interface, have the video highlighted like this and swipe to this end until you get to remove background. Click on remove background, head over to chroma key, click on it. Now this line will appear. Just touch somewhere here and shift the second until the green color will disappear automatically, just like this. Then come over to this very intensity and adjust the button forward to remove the residual part of the green color on the car. So click on this very check mark to authenticate your action. So what you need to do now is to use your finger to adjust the car. You can see what I'm doing. I'm using my finger to adjust the car. So you need to target the car to that very point where you bent down as if something hit you, so that two of them will match. So having the car adjusted to the point where you bend down as if something hit you, that will be okay. Then the next thing you need to do is to zoom in the car so that it will appear a bit larger. Do you understand? So now if you scroll up, you will notice something here, how to make these very particles to appear at the back of you working on the screen. Okay, this is what you will do. You have to highlight the main video, split it, then duplicate this highlighted side. Okay, once you have it duplicated, just search for duplicate. Here is it. Then highlight one of it and come to overlay. Bring it to overlay, take it to the beginning of that one you duplicated it from. Highlight it, head over to remove background. Okay, head over to remove background here and then click auto removal. So with that, the video is now okay. The next thing which you need to do is to head over to the very export button to have your video downloaded to your gallery, and after the downloading, this is what you will see.